One of the big reasons why a buyer cancels a contract in the middle of escrow is because of something they found during their home inspection. You're planning to sell your home and you've heard you need to prepare it. You're willing to do it, especially if it helps your home sell, but what exactly do you need to do? I know there are many things you could potentially do to make your house better and to stand out to buyers. Oftentimes when you start one project, it leads to another and another, then another. Where do you even start? You could have a never-ending list of home maintenance projects, or you could focus on what's most important to the ultimate outcome of selling your house. That's what I want for you, to focus your effort on the maintenance projects that will make the most impact without wasting time or money on things that are nice, but they don't really make your sale easier. In this video, I'm going to share 3 tips on what you can do to get and stay focused on the most important home maintenance projects to make your home sale easier. Hi, I'm Chasity Lousteau, real estate broker in West Hills, California. I work with Los Angeles area homeowners to sell their homes easier and with confidence. Before I started practicing real estate, we were selling a previous house with a real estate agent. We asked our agent about a few projects around the house that we thought were important to tackle before putting our house on the market for sale. Now, this was a time during a competitive housing market. The houses for sale were getting multiple offers. Despite our best judgment, our agent dissuaded us from doing any home maintenance before listing our house. I won't go into all the details in this video, but I will say that was a big mistake, one that caused way more stress than was necessary. Had we focused on what we knew was important to our home sale, I am confident things would have gone differently. Instead, we skipped the important maintenance projects, and that did not make our home sale easier. That's not what I want for you. In fact, it's one of the reasons why I decided to start practicing real estate. So without further delay, let's get to it. Tip number 1. One of the big reasons why a buyer cancels a contract in the middle of escrow is because of something they found during their home inspection. And a way for you to get ahead of that is to consider getting your own pre-listing home inspection to find major issues before your home goes on the market. A home inspector is a licensed professional who you would hire to come to your home to perform a thorough home inspection of every area that they can access, from the roof to the foundation, what's behind the walls, and major systems like plumbing, electrical, and heating and air. The home inspector will then deliver the findings in a detailed written home inspection report for you to review. This gives you the opportunity to find out early if there are any critical issues that you may need to address before putting your house on the market for sale. At that point, you can decide if there are any maintenance issues you need to do, you can do, or are willing to do as part of the sale. The last thing anyone wants is for a deal to blow up during escrow. Having your own home inspection report gives you the advantage to know what's going on early before a buyer finds out during their own home inspection. And it could be before you decide to put any effort into a maintenance project, you'd like to talk to a real estate agent, which takes me to tip number 2. Talk to a real estate professional. Not only will they offer suggestions on the findings of the home inspection report, but they'll also give suggestions on how to make a good first impression and how to make your home appealing to the largest pool of buyers. A real estate agent will come in and view your home as a neutral third party. They'll offer tips on how to make your home presentable and how to stand out both in the pictures online and when people see your home in person. This could be anything from cleaning up and clearing out to flooring, lighting, furniture placement, and home staging. An experienced agent knows what's important to buyers and what they're looking for. They know how to spot the best features of your home and will highlight that. And since every home is different, you can't necessarily rely on a blanket checklist of things to do. The suggestions will be tailored to your home and your expectations, which takes us to tip number 3. This is what I might argue as the most important to your satisfaction and your peace of mind about selling your home. And that is to ask yourself, is there anything you absolutely, positively want to happen before selling your house? If there is something that's important to you or weighing on your mind, then do it. You can ask the advice of a home inspector, a real estate agent, or anyone you trust. But the bottom line is, this is your home, this is your decision, and the consequences of performing maintenance or not are also yours. Not following our gut is where we failed when we sold our previous house. It's a mistake I will never make again, and it's one that I don't want you to make. With all these tips, whatever findings you discover or maintenance you do, you will need to disclose all of it. So I recommend keeping a maintenance log and the receipts for any work performed on your home. The take home is you don't have to be overwhelmed with a never-ending to-do list just to get your home ready to sell. There are professionals like home inspectors and real estate agents who will help you identify and focus on what's most important to make your home sale easier. Having conversations like this about your home, your maintenance concerns, and walking through your house together is what we do when we work with our home sellers. We would love to help you too. Again, I'm Chasity Lousteau, real estate broker in West Hills, California. I give you the keys to sell, buy, and finance your home with confidence.